Hello students of Standard 5. Today we learn chapter 17 Shakuntala part 9 revision. We'll have today revision. We learn the moral of the chapter. See, this lesson is written by Kalidas. He is a very famous Indian writer. He has written all his writings in Sanskrit language. He has written many poems and books, but his two books are very famous. One is Meghdut and second one is Shakuntala, and we are learning Shakuntala. Dear children, in the lesson Shakuntala, we have seen King Dushyant had gone for hunting and he lost his way and he came to hermitage where he met Shakuntala and he married her. Suddenly he remembers that he has to go to his kingdom and do his duty. He went there, and as he was there, he forgot about Shakuntala. Shakuntala was busy thinking of her husband and she did not know what to do. Meanwhile, sage Durvasha came and he felt ignorance. He thought that Shakuntala is ignoring him. So he cursed her. Last, when her father came to know that Shakuntala is crying and sage Durvasha has cursed her, then he requested. Sage Durvasha, Sage Kanva, father of Shakuntala, was very famous for his wisdom. He was well known surroundings and out of the area for his wisdom. Same way, sage Durvasha was known for his bad temper. So sage Kanva knew about his temper and he requested to forgive her. So Durvasha cooled down and he managed to help her with some other way. Because he says, the words comes out from mouth, we cannot take in. So I have cursed, that curse I cannot take, but I can give some solution. So he said to Shakuntala, if you have anything of the king, from the king, so seeing that he will remember you. So Shakuntala was very happy because she knew that he has got ring. What he has got? She has got a ring. King has given her a finger ring. But that ring somewhere she loses when she went to the river to take bath. And there she lost it and she did not realize that she has lost. So, many days passed away. She gone to king to meet, but king did not recognize her. He told her, go away from here. You are either a liar or you are a mad person. How I am not married and how can I have a wife? And that way she felt very bad, broken hearted. She came back to hermitage and where she lived for some time. She had given birth of a baby boy and she gave the child Bharat name, and her father King Sage Kanva died. She left that place, left the hermitage, and she has gone to another place. All of a sudden, fisherman comes and gives the ring and says, King, this is your ring I got from the belly of the fish. And he said, yes, it is mine. There is a king shield. Then he said, but I don't remember where I lost. But looking at the ring, he suddenly recognized that is Shakuntala he had given. And he called for Shakuntala and he said, Shakuntala, you are right, but I chased you. And he went at once to the hermitage in the forest. But Shakuntala was not found. It was again deserted. The sage Kanva was dead long ago, and he did not lose his heart. He went on searching for him all around. He went everywhere looking for him, for the child and for the Shakuntala, but he could not find. But he did not lose his heart. He had a hope that he will meet one day. Somewhere he will find Shakuntala. And he went searching. Suddenly one day he saw a boy playing with a lion cub. He called the child, but the child looking at him, he ran away to his mother, calling, Mummy, Mummy, somebody has come. And mother came out, she saw that Dushyant. So she said, this man doesn't recognize me, why to go and meet? She turned to go back. Meanwhile, king saw her and he recognized this is Shakuntala. He felt very bad that she is very pale, dull and sickly. She has become very thin. Then he called her, Shakuntala, please forgive me. I have done mistake. Please forgive me. And she stopped there. She stood there. He came down from the horse, went and met her and narrated the story what happened with the fisherman. How fisherman gave the ring, and looking at the ring he remembered her. Then she remembered that King Sage Durvasha had cursed her and told her last that if you show something of his, he will remember you. So now he has seen the ring and remembered. Her suffering came to an end. She went to palace with him with the child, and they lived very happily. Child became big and he became the king. He was the king, known as a king of the kings. He ruled 5 countries: India, Nepal, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh. Children, here the moral of this lesson is that we should not lose our heart. Difficulties will come. With the difficulty, we should not get disappointed, but we should learn how to solve, how to overcome on these difficulties. As the day and night, day is very bright and nice, night is very dark and fearful. Like that, in our life, joy and sorrow is always there. But one by one it comes, we have to wait. If the sorrow comes, there will be time where joy comes. So you should not lose heart with little difficulty, but you should be aware and wait patiently. Do something to overcome on that. Okay, children? So this moral you should remember. That's why it is put in your lesson. You little children, little things happen, you punish somebody, hit somebody, do something. If somebody has done to you, suffer it and know that there will be something goodness. If you forgive that child whom you are fighting, that person will love you, take care of you because he knows that you have not punished him in return. So have faith and trust on God and have patience and do patiently your work. You will be successful. Okay, children? Thank you.